Hey everyone, it's Jess. Today I have a bag review for you on the YSL Camera Bag. I believe this is the Lulu style, and this is the color dark beige. Now ladies, this bag is stunning, and this is perfect for everyday use, and it has a great price point on it. It has this really darling tassel right here, which is also removable, and it does have an adjustable strap. I will say you don't get like the most holes ever to change the height that much, so do keep that in mind. Now I did get a little mark on the strap already by having this close to my bigger Lulu. Now it's in black leather, so keep that in mind. I definitely recommend wearing this with light outfits only. So if you want this as your everyday bag, you wear a lot of darker colors or dark denim, then I definitely recommend getting this in the darker color. I know this comes in black with gold hardware, so do check that out if you're considering that. But if you want a bag that's just lighter color that will go with your lighter color outfits like I did, then the dark beige is a really good choice. I also love this bag because it does have this beautiful brassy hardware, but if you're somewhere that you want the bag to be a bit more low-key, you could just flip it around and no one would ever know that this is a designer bag, and you can even unhook the tassel. However, it is really hard to tell that the tassel does say YSL, so keep that in mind. That's not really going to give it away. This bag does store a lot. I am going to be doing a comparison of the Gucci Marmont camera bag, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that out. And I'll also be doing a what's in my bag video, so if you want to see what fits in here, make sure you're subscribed for that and thumbs up this video so I know you want to see that type of content. I will say this bag does hold a lot. I have iPhone 12 Max Pro, and this phone fits in here super easy. However, like most of you, I do tend to just hold my phone, so a lot of time it does not there, but this easily fits, so really love that about this bag. The leather on this is really gorgeous. It is calfskin. The zipper is a little stiff. I'll unzip it for you guys to see. So it doesn't glide like butter, but it's not the worst, and it's really pretty shiny hardware. Now the downfall of this bag is that look, it is like a black hole, so it's going to be tricky finding your stuff. However, I think a bag like this is definitely more for the minimalist that doesn't like to have her shoulders aching like me. I have back problems, so I definitely cannot have a stuffed bag, so I don't mind the room in it, but I do wish that you could choose your interior kind of like the Louis Vuitton bags. It would have been nice if there was some color options. Also, as you can tell, when you have it unzipped, it kind of does get deformed. So when you zip it up, it lays nice and flat, but when it's unzipped, it kind of does puff up. So make sure if you do have this bag that you are storing it with the zipper zipped up. I will insert a few pictures of me with this bag so you could just kind of see how it looks like on. For reference, I'm around 124 pounds and 5'6.5". I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And like I said, I will be posting a what's in my bag video featuring this beauty, and also a comparison with the Gucci Marmont, and I have the small size, so it is the closest size to this bag. On YouTube, I've only seen people with either the mini of this or the mini of the Gucci, and that's not really a fair comparison, so I think that video will be super helpful for you guys. Anyways, like I said, I really recommend checking this bag out. I do not think it is a starter bag. To me, starter bag are more price points like Coach, Michael Kors, Tory Burch. So I think with this, you are paying a very fair price, unlike other brands at the moment that are just super overpriced for the quality you're getting. I think the quality on this is really great, and it's just a really gorgeous bag, and I've heard that it really does wear well. I will do a 1-year wear and tear update if you're interested in that as well. I've had this bag for a couple weeks now, so I haven't noticed anything, but like I said, I did notice the color transfer, and I did notice one stitch was a little off, but I just wiped with a baby wipe and it's looking pretty good, so I'm not too concerned about that. Anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Bye.